Hello everyone, just want to update you guys on the latest on the Miele saga here. This is my Miele W1 washing machine, and as you know from the other two videos, the touch panel that you see here stopped working. So then Miele sent the wrong part. They just sent this panel outside here and not necessarily the motherboard that goes inside. So then the previous visit, the repair people came by, we obviously found out about that. And a month later, the motherboard finally arrived. So then the repair people came by to install it. And they did that only to get this warning. So apparently they called Miele to find out what this means. And they were nice enough to send us a motherboard that isn't configured for this machine, for these machines in general. That apparently the repair people have to have a computer here on their end to recode or reprogram the motherboard for it to work. I mean, one would think that this would be smart or nice of them to let people know and not just ship parts to people and hope for the best, but that goes to show you guys how Miele does business. And I've contacted their customer service several times, and I've asked if they could just simply replace the machine and not keep sending parts like this. And they keep giving me the runaround over and over and over, saying things like, "We'll get back to you in about a month," they said, and I quote. Yes, that's their tone on their emails. So buyer beware. Like I said, when you buy Miele, this is what's going to happen to you. Here's proof, okay? Here's a close-up of the sweet animation of which is that UP0, I guess. Anywho, you guys, don't buy this piece of shit. Do yourselves a favor. Bye.